Hey everybody, let's talk about October 2018, Thyme. Now remember, this information is good for all time. It doesn't have to be just about the Young Living promotion. What I want you to know about Thyme is that you are going to get one for free in October, but it comes not only in the Vitality line, but also in the normal oil. Remember, there is zero difference between the white label oil and the regular labeled oil, other than the fact that Young Living has brilliantly come up with a system so that you can identify ingestible oils just by looking at them from across the room. If they have a white label on them, that means it is safe per the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, for ingestion. And obviously it's thyme. Who has not used thyme in their kitchen? It's a wonderful herb. But may I propose to you that instead of always using the dried herb variety, you can keep a bottle of the Vitality oil in your kitchen and use it in your cooking. Use it in place of the dried herbs. Use it in dips and cheese sauces. Enhance your favorite dishes. It's an amazing oil for cooking. But it can also be used for many other things than that, which is what I want to get to. So that's the way that you would use Vitality primarily, safe for ingestion. So any creative way that you can think of ingesting that oil, it's yours to do. Now the regular oil bottle is what we were going to talk about, topical and aromatic, right? Okay, so aromatic, it has an incredible uplifting, incredible uplifting aroma that really helps to ease mental fatigue. So when you're feeling that lull in the middle of the day, throw in some thyme, add it with some other oils. It actually blends quite nicely with several other oils, in particular some citrus oils, which might surprise you. So try a few concoctions in your diffuser, you guys. Have fun with it. See if you can come up with a new blend that you've never tried before. So thyme is really great for helping you power through and kind of rejuvenating your mind. It's really helpful also. It's an immune boosting oil, but it's especially great because it gives you energy when your body has gone under stress. So when you have gone through illness and you're coming on the other end of it, you know, that tired, lethargic feeling that you just kind of need to get up and get moving, and thyme is the thing that's going to help you pull through and get back up on your feet again. So really great also to diffuse during times when you need mental focus or concentration, because again, it works in your mind and it energizes and helps you focus. So it's a really great oil for that, used aromatically for all kinds of different things. Now by aromatic, I mean throw it in your diffuser, put a drop on the palm of your hand and inhale. But it doesn't just stop there. Thyme is really great for keeping unwanted critters out of your house. Throw it on a cotton ball and stick it in the places where you see them coming in. It can be a deterrent, so if you put it into an outdoor spray, for example, that's a really great additive. Thyme, ladies and gents, is an amazing oil for helping to stimulate your hair follicles. So if you notice more than a usual count of hair falling on the ground, which I am actually going the process, hormones are a wonderful thing, and I will comb my hair or blow dry my hair, and it's like, looks like, I don't know, it's a horror movie scene on the floor of the bathroom for how much hair is falling out. So thyme, you better believe I make up a water bottle with a couple of different essential oils in it that are really good for stimulating the scalp. Oregano is another one of them. Rosemary is another one. Any of these herbs that we would use in the kitchen are really, really great for the skin and really great for our scalp. Lavender, cedarwood, there's a whole bunch of them, but thyme is one of the key ingredients to that. So I'll just mix up a spray bottle. I keep it in my my shower, and I will just douse, my scalp and let it sit there. Sometimes I leave it, sometimes I will wash it out with shampoo. There's really no right or wrong. Just get it onto you or into you in whatever way that you can. Also, putting thyme on Vitaflex points is a great way to do it, and it's an incredible skin oil. Now, you may want to dilute it. Take some coconut oil or one of your favorite face moisturizers and put a drop of thyme, because it's really great for brightening and smoothing skin. It has an incredible cleansing and purifying effect. So last of all, thyme is really great for joint and muscle support. So when you're feeling like you're older than you really are, thyme is a really great, get some carrier oil and just give yourself a nice massage with that. So lots and lots of uses for this very underrated kitchen oil, right? So we've got thyme and thyme Vitality. I don't even know where I put it. Get those into your house and into yourselves as soon as you can.